A form genuinely needs a real button to actually submit it, and the button's real type attribute determines exactly what it does. In this video you'll use real form buttons correctly. Type is equal to submit genuinely submits the real, actual form data when clicked. This is the real default button type inside a form. Type is equal to reset genuinely clears all real fields back to their actual default values. Type is equal to button genuinely does not submit the form, it's real, used purely for custom JavaScript behavior instead. Type is equal to submit genuinely submits the real form's data. Type is equal to reset genuinely clears fields back to defaults. Type is equal to button genuinely does not submit used for custom real behavior. Build a real form with a submit button and a separate reset button. Ready to work with real text input fields in more depth.